Welcome to the DadBod. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest yet stylish ways to fold and wear your pocket square. It's called the single point fold. The first thing you're going to do is lay your pocket square down, fold it in half with the top half over the bottom half. Then you're going to fold the left half over the right half. Take your time, adjust it, and clean it up as you go. Slide it so it's a diamond shape. You want the single side to be on your left and the double side to be on your right. Then fold the right side in at a slight downward angle. You might have to fold a little extra over depending on the width of your pocket and pocket square. Do the same thing for the left side. And then fold up the bottom. Now you can put it directly into your pocket, or you can use a pocket square holder like this one here from Squared Away. Once you're ready, put it in your pocket. And as you can see, there's an issue. The pocket of this suit is slanted, so we have to adjust it slightly. You don't have to start over, just carefully pull it into place, and let's see if that works. Perfect. That is the single point pocket square. Make sure you subscribe for more pocket square and tie tutorials.